Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage your account security with PayPal, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To manage your account security with PayPal, start by logging into your PayPal account. Once you're logged in, locate the gear icon in the top right corner of the page. Click on the gear icon to access your account settings. In the settings menu, select the security tab on the left side. Under the security section, review the security key option. If you don't have a security key enabled, consider setting one up for added protection. Follow the prompts to set up your security key, which adds an extra layer of verification. Next, assess your password strength. Choose a strong, unique password if you haven't done so yet. Ensure that your password contains a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Scroll down to the two-factor authentication section. Enable two-factor authentication if it's not already activated. This requires a verification code sent to your mobile device whenever you log in from an unrecognized location. Next, review your recent account activity. Look for any unauthorized transactions or unfamiliar logins. If you spot anything suspicious, report it immediately through the PayPal Help Center. Remove any outdated or unused bank accounts or credit cards to minimize exposure. Make sure your email address associated with your PayPal account is secure. Consider enabling a second email for account recovery purposes. Finally, regularly update your security settings and remain vigilant against phishing attempts. Also, remember to log out of your account when using public or shared devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.